Dear students, today let us study about the products from beehive. The various products what we get from the beehive are honey, bee wax, propolis, royal jelly, bee pollen, bee bread and bee sting. Now let us see the uses of honey. Some uses of honey are as follows. It is used as food. Honey is a nutritious food rich in energy and vitamins. It is also used in medicines. It is used as a carrier in Ayurvedic and Unani medicines. It is also used as a laxative, prevention of cold, cough, sore throat, ulcers of the tongue, stomach, intestine, and fever. It is also used in purification of blood. It is used in religious ceremonies. It goes in the making of alcoholic drinks and beauty lotions. Another important use is in scientific research for making bacterial cultures. It is also utilized for making poison baits for certain insect pests. The second one, bee wax. Bee wax is secreted by the wax glands located on the underside of the last four abdominal segments of the worker bee. This wax is used in constructing bee combs in which the colony of the bees develop. Let us see the uses of bee wax. This is used in making of candles, making pharmaceutical preparations, cosmetic industry, wherein creams and base for ointments, lipsticks, shaving creams, etc., in which it is used. Preparation of lubricants, polishes, varnishes and paints, waterproofing and waxing of threads, and formation of comb foundation. Wax foundations which are applied in apiaries. Now, let us see the byproducts. The first one is the propolis. Propolis is a substance produced by the worker to keep away the intruders and pests. It is also used to seal the spaces to secure the hive from external influences. It is also used as a chemical defense and it is also used in communication. Royal jelly. Royal jelly is secreted by the glands of the young worker bees. Nurse bees feed the jelly to the larvae, which are up to 3 days old. This improves the general well being. It also helps in brain functioning and promotes the healthy functioning of glands. We can mix it with honey, pollen wax, or propolis and use it. Now, coming to the next one is the bee pollen. It is considered one of the nature's most complete foods due to its comprehensive and balanced nutrition profile. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants. It is also considered an immune system builder that will also enhance vitality. The next one is the bee bread, which is found in the colony. Bee sting. In medicines, bee venom is used to desensitize people allergic to bee venom. It also used in healing various conditions and illness. It is also used in the cosmetic industry and it is also used in creams and serums. Thank you so much.